ove godine je 32. Vinistra u Žatici, nikad ljepša, nikad uređenja, nikad bogatiji program, nikad više nasmiješeni ljudi uživaju u najboljem vinu do sada.
Vino kao proizvod i Vinistra kao manifestacija spaja ljude pozitivnog pogleda, ljudi koji vjeruju da rad i trud donosi rezultate.
We coming here at Vinistra from France for the first time with a group of French companies, and for the first time we also taste the Malvasia that we don't know so much in France. So it is a very good experience for us with a lot of discoveries.
We are very honored to be here in Vinistra. It's an amazing fair and we are very thankful to the Vinistra Association.